The hair I'm wearing is from Maxglam. It was originally a 20-inch 1B straight unit. However, I'm not sure if you can see. Is the camera picking it up? Let me see the back. Okay, you can't see, but the hair goes a bit to like a color 2 on the end. And then I just added some light waves. If you're interested in my makeup, I will also have a summer makeup routine out. And yeah guys, watch this video. So I start off with my stocking cap and just apply a bit of makeup to it so it blends. I don't do the whole bold cap method. I don't like the thought of having a cap stuck to my skin and then a wig stuck to my skin. It's a whole lot of stitching, you know. So I just do this, camouflage the borders of the cap with a makeup brush with some leftover makeup. That is good enough of a color for me. Now, this application is different to how I normally do my wigs. However, I still want to have a clean canvas to work on. You don't want to just be applying products to makeup. You want to apply products to your skin rather. So, look at me. I look so good with no hair. Makeup done. If you're interested in this look I'm currently sporting, it is from my summer makeup tutorial that I will have out as soon as possible. So keep your eyes peeled. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please click the bell notification. I want to see more returning subscribers watching my videos. You know, trying to build that whole community. I sewed in an elastic band. I wanted it to be a glueless install, kind of a glueless install, because I don't want to use the Got2B free spray that I normally use, because that should really be stealing your edges, and mine were running, so I had to get them back. The tension caused by the elastic band that I sewed in is really making it look as if it's all glued down or whatnot already. Obviously not, because that bit looks a bit, but ooh. Let me just tie the hair back so the front is isolated. So you see, I've already worked out my baby hairs on this side, and I don't really care for like baby hairs or whatnot down here, so I'm just gonna let it be. And then this side needs to be worked out, and I've already like parted on this side, so I just bring it forward and trim it with some scissors so they don't look too long and grown like adults. I'm gonna spray a bit of my Design Foam by Elasta QP. Just get that on the hair, the main body. So get it backwards, and with a toothbrush, love my toothbrush, just distribute that through like that. And then with my black Got2B, there as well. And then rather than like applying it onto the skin and then setting the lace on it, I'm applying it on top of the lace. It works the same way, trust me. I was surprised when I figured it out. Yeah, so applying the Got2B on top so it seeps through quite a bit. But when it's done, you're gonna understand why I had to use so much. And then get some on the baby hairs, because I use Got2B for my baby hairs. Like that. People are gonna judge me, but it's cool. Because when I look pen, you're gonna understand. You should have copied. You can do the same, apply it on top, but just for the sake of the wig laying and staying. It's hot outside, and I don't want any surprises where the wind blows my hair back and then vroom, everybody sees what I've got going on under my wig. And while that's drying, you can get started on the baby hairs. So baby hairs have a bit of product on it, toothbrush, and just mold them into position. See? You see that? That's good. That's very close to my eyebrow, and I'm judging myself, so you guys don't have to judge me, okay? This side, I don't know what's happening here, but it's cool because I'm wearing the middle part today. That's how I want it to look today. And then this one, this is my favorite side. Literally, you're just gonna have to keep going over and over until you achieve a desired look. But then it's important that your baby hairs are short, otherwise it will really affect how things look. And then now, just to stick this down. Cool. There we are. Down. And what I like about this method is that it dries a lot softer. It isn't as hard as it would look if I'd used Got2B Freeze Spray. So just tie that down so that everything can set into place. I use my wig, is it a wig grip band or is it, I don't know, it's a band from the hair shop that's meant to stop your wig from sliding. And while this is setting, I'm going to like just straighten out my hair or curl it. I don't know what I feel like looking like today, but you'll see what I look like when I get back. So I've let this set, curl my hair, and look at what we have here. Now I just need to brush everything into place. So I've taken off the elastic band, and this is what it looks like. Don't mind me, I look a bit crazy, but because of the products I used, it's easy for me to like go over and comb out the hair that might have settled in the wrong place because it dries soft. Everything is dried. See that? So let me just zhuzh things. Ooh, oh, check me. What? Chocolate darling. Okay, I shouldn't have used the comb. See, when you're too fast, dumb things happen. Look at that. I can do that and then just press it into place because the products I used allowed the hair to dry soft. Like if you're used to doing your wigs with Got2B Freeze Spray, you'll understand what I mean. When you use a certain amount of Got2B, the hair starts to get a bit crispy, but with this, everything is just soft, and I don't know if malleable is the word, but I can manipulate how it looks. And I like a bit of height in my hair, so I'm gonna raise it and pinch it. Oh gosh. And then just to like double set that, my straightener is still a bit hot. Just going to press that in with a bit of height. Yeah, perfect. See? This is just with my mousse and some Got2B. Yeah, that's my hair done. Thank you for tuning into this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. If there's anything I missed please do check the description bar. I do update them, I write everything you need to know. Thank you for watching. Bye.